Hello dear students, today we talk about the important grammatical rules of the English language. It is modal verbs can, could and their equivalent. Can is one of the most used modal verbs in the English language. The modal verb can is used to express the following meanings. For example, to be able, to have the opportunity, and to have the ability. The modal verb can we use in a present tense. Look at the screen. For example, my friend can speak English and German very well. I can do these exercises. Features of use. After the modal verbs can or could, there should be another verb, because modal verb can itself does not inform about the action, but only shows our attitude towards it. For example, can read, can write, and look at the screen. There are two sentences and let's compare them. I speak two foreign languages. I can speak two foreign languages. What is the difference between can and could? The modal verb could is used in a past tense. He could speak French many years ago. My granny could dance when she was a young girl. About the general question and negative sentences with the verb can or could. In the question form, the modal verb can or could move to the first place in the sentence. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. I cannot. Could your sister help me with my work? She can, or maybe no, she cannot. In negative sentences, we add not to the verb can, could to form cannot or couldn't. For example, I cannot swim. My dad couldn't dance 2 years ago. Could often used when we want to politely or more formally ask someone for something. For example, could you help me with my homework? Could you answer this question? This verb would describe the present tense here, not the past. To be able to. It is an equivalence of the modal verb can and could. In Tajik, we translate to be able to as tavono bolayokat. The modal verb can generally expresses the possibility, imkoniyat, but to be able to is the possibility of performing. Imkoni ijro kardan is action in a certain situation and time. In present tense, we use am, is, are able to. In past, we use was, were able to. In future, will be able to. The verb can is not used in the future tense. That's why we use equivalence will be able to. There are some examples. Please look. I am able to speak two foreign languages. They were able to write their test. John will be able to help me with my homework. The functions can and could in a sentence. Physical ability to do something. Mary can speak 4 foreign languages. He cannot even say a word in English. Margaret could ride a bike when she was 5. I couldn't speak English well at school. Probability and opportunity. We can meet you at the station when you arrive. We could not speak English last year. He is able to sing very well. She cannot have locked the door because I took the only key. You will be able to see him tomorrow. Request. Could you show me to my room, please? Can you help me? Can you pass me the salt? Now today we spoke about the modal verbs can and could and their equivalents. Now let's do some exercises which we use the modal verb can and could and their equivalents.